Hi, this is from Dirty Bubble Soap, and today I am making peppermint frost. Those are the little embeds that I'm going to place on top of the soap and the cupcakes that I'm going to make. Right there you see me adding some kale and clay to the soap, and the oils that I'm using today are olive oil, coconut oil, palm, sweet almond, and castor oil. And I am just adding a little bit of titanium dioxide to the batter to whiten up my soap. One of the things that you're going to notice is that I've used two blue colors. The one I'm stirring right now is Blue Shocker, and it started off very vibrant blue that morphed into a green. And then this next color is Silverfin Blue, another beautiful color that also morphed to a green. And they both kind of look the same color now. It was a little freaky, you know, during the time that I was making the soap, and I kept thinking, you know, what is going on? Well, that happens sometimes with blue, but a lot of times it actually happens with green colors. But it will morph to the original color, blue, and you'll see that at the end of the video when I'm cutting the soap the following day. The design I'm going to create today is just called a drop swirl, and I'm going to end up taking both of these colors and pouring them inside the pot you see there. And here I am just giving it a little bit of a wiggle to, you know, create a pretty design. And with this leftover batter, I am going to make some cupcakes. I have to admit that video editing is not the best, but eventually I'll get better. But you can get the gist of how I've made this soap. It was a lot of fun to make. I liked and enjoyed making the embeds for it. And I had enough left over so I could decorate the cakes also. I think, you know, one of the things that I wanted to change about this soap is that next time I will use a little more titanium dioxide for the white, because I feel like it could be a lot whiter. But one of the issues with the soaps that I make is the fact that I use all organic oils, and so they're darker, they're unrefined, and so if I want to get a really bright white, I would have to use quite a bit of tea. So I really don't want to do that. So, you know, I might use a little more next time. This could have been a little whiter, but I'm very happy with it. I think it turned out great.